Hello. Welcome to Anxiety Kitchen. I want to make a cake roll because I watch a lot of Great British Baking Show, and they always end up making a damn cake roll, and that looks fucking horrible. I had a bunch of bananas that we got thinking I'm gonna eat a lot of bananas, and we didn't. So I have mushed them and it looks quite disgusting. What do I need? 1/2 cup of butter. Blech. Then half cream together right now. Bloop. Ding, fries are done. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/3 spoon of salt. 1.5 teaspoons vanilla. And 1.5. It says to mash the bananas until there are no visible lumps. However, I stupidly just did it with a fork, so I'm just gonna rely on my mixer, because that looks like vomit. Ew. 1/2 cup. Fascinating. I think it's done. I have already lined my pan. Like, why'd I put dinosaurs on that bitch? Hello, darling.
Hello.
You stink.
Thank you. Smell like a combination of Royal Canin renal support tea. The tea is for tasty. Cod sole and shrimp dinner pate.
Ew.
And where is it? Ocean whitefish and tuna dinner pate.
Hit. Try it.
Oh, that is quite good. Well, if the end product tastes anything like that, you're good.
I don't even give a shit if it cracks. This seems so unnatural. Like, if I walked in the kitchen and saw a kid doing this, I'd be like, no. Like, I make chicken nuggets in that pan. Like, that's not for cakes. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until lightly browned and cake springs back when tested.
About tigers. This tigers are wonderful things. The tops are made out of rivers. The bottoms are made out of springs. The bouncy, 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 bouncy. Just one thing about tigers is
But how is... There's gotta be more tigers.
No, there is a singular tiger. Because when you're a stuffed animal, you can be the only one. Literally. You were not created by 2 other tigers. You were created by a creepy old man in a toy shop.
Why does it gotta be creepy?
Because old men that make toys are automatically creepy. Look at your
Geppetto.
pet. Aha! I just want a real boy!
Okay, no. Ew.
Yeah, think about it.
Ew. Okay. Creaming. Ew. No. So I'm excited to see if I can do this whole jelly roll, cake roll thing.
Yeah.
But I have like decently high hopes that I should be able to do it because like Austin's done it and he's not a cook. I mean, no, he can cook. He's not a baker.
That doesn't need anything. Just because someone somewhere did something correct. Like, I have baked things well, but I am not a baker.
Okay, super random question. Is it crazy to color it?
No, I think rolls typically have... Well, what color you want to put in there?
I don't know. What color bananas?
Yellow. So make it blue.
That's what I was thinking.
Well, see, obviously, that's the correct answer.
Excitement. Would you like to know what I'm doing?
I believe you are powdering the towel so that nothing will stick to it.
You're right.
Ah! Ah!
So in the future screaming like someone's dying. Not the best.
I didn't know what to say.
He's all drunk now.
I couldn't reach it from where I was, and that was all that came out.
Note to
Sorry.
self: when wearing a microphone, don't fucking walk away.
When wearing a wired microphone.
That's all I got. Okay.
Is it golden and spoon? Just a spoonging?
Ow, it's hot.
Well, yeah. Wasn't open.
Yeah, but it says immediately invert cake onto clean kitchen towel dusted with confectionery sugar. Remove parchment paper.
All right, flop. Oh, there's gonna be a poof. I can sense it already.
This is like some fucking nailed it shit. Nailed it at home.
I'll submit you. You can go hang out with Nicole.
I would-
I'm super jealous.
I would love to hang out with Nicole. I'd be like, would you like to join the Golden Girls?
We have room.
You have to marry Jillian. Oh God. Baby. Baby nervous. Like,
I think you just flop it like timber, like gravity.
I don't know that I needed to flop it that hard.
We're gonna be cleaning up sugar in the kitchen for a week.
It's okay, the dogs will love it.
You're right.
This is like when we were at Al's party and we had to try to open the things with the oven mitts. I can't get my hand under it. I need a seat down.
No, it's very sugary in the air. Don't take those off. Okay.
I told you I couldn't get my hand under it.
Oh, look
Did
at
it come out?
Yeah,
Damn it.
you did it. Peel off the beeper. I know, it tastes like sugar.
Oh, bitch.
Yeah.
There's a little low spot.
I feel it with frosting. You'll be fine.
Okay. And then I immediately have to roll it. Do I dust it with more sugar?
I
Or
wouldn't.
no?
No, I wouldn't imagine.
Immediately invert cake onto clean kitchen towel, dust with confectionery sugar, remove hard paper. Starting at the short end, carefully roll cake into towel. Okay. Here goes. Oops. Here goes nothing. Llama stay, beach. Oh God. Aaron. Oh, Aaron, we're rolling.
Baby.
Oh, it is very warm.
Oh my no.
I did it!
Yay!
It's a llama. Namaste. It's time to unroll this.
Oh no.
It might be a little fuzzy. Okay, okay. Oh, you motherfucker. Just put that over here. Over here. Let's try and unstick this from the towel. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh no. Eh. Hey, Erin. What's you doing? Can I help? I need hands. I need hands. I stuck to the towel. So I just need you to hold the towel. This feels like
The hand game.
no, I was gonna oh no! Oh, it's like super stuck.
You see it.
Uh,
Spatula.
oh, it's like super stuck. I don't think I can hide it with powdered sugar.
Well, it'll be on the inside.
No, but not if it's stuck the whole
You
way.
don't know that it's stuck the whole way.
It's getting worse. Oh. Oh, no. Okay, it's getting better. Okay. All right. Maybe it'll be on the inside. Okay.
You good?
I'm gonna get
Yeah.
it.
Oh, that looks like
See, it was super stuck over here. You know what? I started off strong. Somehow I've gotten worse. Behave yourself, please. I cannot take failure right now. All right, cut through. You can do this. I believe in you. Perhaps I should have, oh, sweet Jesus. Okay. Oh, that is so fucking stupid. I'm loving this. Right, I have made a definite mess. I made it blue because artistic licensing. That's pretty good. And it only tastes slightly like dish towel. If you have old bananas, do something fun with them. And also, don't be afraid to do whatever the fuck you want. If you want blue icing, give yourself blue icing.